a really quick way to create a juxtapose image. So that's basically where we see a before and after, or compare and contrast. I'm going to use an example using photos that my husband and I have had done by a professional photographer. So excuse the photos. All right, the first thing that you want to do is upload your photos once you've finished editing them to Flickr. For some reason, Juxtapose is really weird about its URLs. That's how you actually use the photos, and that's what you actually need. Instead of a file, you need a URL to make Juxtapose work. So I have found that if you upload your photos to Flickr, it works really well. Flickr is just a photo stream app. You can create a free account. It's really easy. So I have my account here. I'm just going to sign in. I've already uploaded the photos, but it's really quite easy if you've never done this before. If you just come up here to this little cloud where it says upload, click that, and then you can either drag and drop photos into this area, or you can choose photos and videos to upload, totally up to you. I already have my 2 that I have uploaded. Here they are. Look how pretty we are. And this is what I'm going to use. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that photo, and I'm just going to grab this URL. I'm going to copy and paste. Actually, I don't want that one. I'm going to do this one first. I want this one. So if you have a free account, you get ads. Let me go back. I'm going to do this one first. So I'm going to copy and paste. Just copy for now. And I'm going to type in Juxtapose, Night Lab. And it's going to show up, Juxtapose Night Lab. I totally misspelled Juxtapose. That's okay. And then you're going to click create or make a Juxtapose. This is where you're going to put your URLs. So I'm going to put my before picture here. I'm going to give it a date. This was taken in September of 2014. Credit. I don't know who took this photo. And then I'm going to grab my other photo. Grab the URL, come back to Juxtapose, and put that right there. Label, I'll give it, this was August 2017. And I have no idea who to give that credit to. You can make some adjustments to Juxtapose. You can adjust the slider if you want it to start in the middle, or if you want it to start maybe 75% in, gives you a little bit more. This is the slider. See how you can move it back and forth, back and forth. It's better if both of your photos are the same size and your subject is in the same place, and you try to align them as best you can. It just makes it look a little nicer, a little easier when you're sliding. You can choose to show labels, show credits. You can animate it if you need, make it responsive. You can do vertical if you want. It lets you adjust like that. That's kind of cool too. Totally up to you. You hit the preview button, and this is what it gives you is a preview. I've gone too far. And it'll tell you here, one or both of your photos is larger than your browser window. The preview below has been resized to fit for your screen, but your embedded Juxtapose is going to retain your original image dimensions. Your images have different aspect ratios. It'll still work fine, but you might want to crop your images. So it's just giving you a heads up. You can make all of those adjustments again by doing them in Photoshop before, or in Lightroom before you even begin to upload to Flickr or to Juxtapose. Once you're ready to publish, hit publish, and it's going to give you a share link or an embed code. For our purposes, I want you to do a shared link. You're going to grab that and check that out. How cool is that? Now, you won't be able to post this on Instagram or anything like that, but what I want you to do is send me the link either send me the link via email. That's what I want you to do, is send me the link via email. The other cool thing is you can embed this into your website or into your page, your Adobe Spark page that we are eventually going to create. And that's it. That's all I have. It's a really easy process. Juxtapose is really kind of cool. Remember, you can always look at the overview and some examples and get some additional help just by going to the main page. It's all in kind of one responsive site.